Okay, so today I will be comparing two of the fidget cubes, and one of them is this and the other one is this. So this video will comprise of the unboxing of this cube, my first impressions on it, and the comparison between these two. And finally, towards the end of the video, there will also be a bonus unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's keep this aside and unbox this. Oh, it feels kind of weird, not gonna lie. Okay, so the turning's actually smooth compared to this. Let me just put this away. Yeah, so the turnings of this is actually really smooth compared to this, and you can also hear those clicks, like, but this cube is actually silent, except for, those, except for that noise. Okay, this actually looks really cool. Yeah. So I don't know the brand of this cube. It's a Mofang cube, but I don't know which one is this. But it's around like 10 SGD. And this is the windmill cube. And this is also 10 SGD. So they're pretty much the same price. So the main difference is the turning. This thing's actually really fun and easy to turn. Really smooth. And this thing's also easy, but then it just makes that noise, which is kind of weird. Other than that, the turning's kind of the same. So obviously this cube actually looks bigger, but then since it's expanded, like extended out over here, and it's inside over here, this just seems bigger, but actually I think it's the same size. Like, yeah, it should be the same size. The one thing that I don't really like about this cube is that, like, look, this thing's like transparent kind of thing. Like, obviously it's transparent, but the color it's like the whitish color, which I don't really like. And over here it's black inside, and this actually looks cooler than that. But the cube shape, this looks better, and the colors, this is like more contrasting, I guess. Like, yeah, this just looks a bit dull. Yeah, this cube looks a bit dull, but then this one, the colors are really bright. Okay, let me time myself now. So some random scrambles.
This cube is actually really easy.
Okay, so now I'll start off with this first. I'm really bad at solving this, okay? So don't blame me. "24 seconds. That's actually slow. 24.78. So let's try on this cube. Okay, I just encountered this thing, like, gets off really easily. And now I've got a... Okay, this thing's actually really easy to get out. Okay, I'm actually in the middle of a solve, I guess. Okay, so that was nearly a minute. The thing I find harder about this rather than this is that the shape. The shape really brings hardness to the cube, even though it's the exact same 1 by 3 by 3 fidget. But this thing actually takes longer, according to me. So I think I'll do another solve on this. Okay, not this isn't really that bad. It's 35 seconds. But even in this solve, I had this piece pop out. Like, it's really easy for that thing to, pop out. Like, it just happened before. I'm not able to do it voluntarily, but I don't know, it's just involuntary actions or something similar to that. Okay. Well. Okay. Okay, major problem. So you saw this piece break off. Not really break off, but pop. So I can fix this easily. Like, But the thing is, this thing also popped out, which is supposed to be in here, these pieces. But I tried to put this in like so many times, it just wouldn't work. Like, I tried to put it in like this. Yeah, I'll just try a few more times. Well, unfortunately, I wasn't able to put this in, but I don't really think that affects the turning any much. Okay, so this thing happens really often, like really. But I think the piece that popped this thing actually made it better. Like, this side turns smoother than these now. Like, see, surprisingly, this actually made it better. So the final thing, if you're ever gonna buy a fidget cube, I really suggest going for this one. You can just search up the shop, and you can find it on any shop, I guess, or like the Cubicle or Speedcube shop, or any other shop as well. But please go for this one. I'm telling you, because I have both these cubes. Like that's how easy it is to remove these pieces, and these pieces keep popping off while solving. But if you want like for better looks and all, this cube is the best for you. So that's about it for the comparison, and now for the bonus unboxing. Okay, here we have the O2 cube. Now let's get into it. So I guess this is the tutorial, and I know one thing for the O2 cube. It can be solved in 3 moves maximum. Yep, definitely. There's only 3 cases to solve. Rather, there's only 2 steps as well. Okay, this is actually looks pretty easy. Let's dab on into the cube. This thing feels so smooth. Just so you know, this is pink. Okay, it's pink-ish. It looks pink, but it's red, I guess. It's basically pinkish red. In real life, it looks more like pink, but on the camera I think it looks like red, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure you can hear that as well. This thing turns so well. Okay, so now it's basically one by one block, and this is how you scramble it. The centers can move. You can't really scramble it much, like seriously. Like whatever I try, it's gonna be solved. Like look, I do M2 E or E prime, whatever that is, and I do M. I do E2, and then I do M prime for the scramble. And now all I gotta do is this and this. That's it. That's how easy this cube is. But the thing is, I really like the looks of it. It looks so good. Like, especially the colors. All these colors are like so bright. And yeah, I really like this cube more. It's like so good. So I guess that's it for this video. And oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you something. We are gonna be only uploading like one video each week, since we have three reasons. One, we want to make more high quality videos rather than just posting a lot more videos. Second, we don't have much time to really create a lot of videos. And third, we don't have much video ideas. Yep. So yeah, I think that's it. And so we'll see you guys next time.